Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use built-in surface level in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here click on edge panels. Now in edge panels, click on panels. Now here you will see a tools panel, so select the tools panel if you have not selected. Now after selecting, this panel will be added to the edge panels. Now after this, go back to your home screen and open the edge panel. Now here in edge panel, open the tools panel, and after opening the tools panel, by default it will open the compass. So to use the built-in surface level, click on this three dot more icon and then click on surface level. Now here it will open the surface level, and here it will show you the details of X factor and Y factor. So if your mobile is not on a surface level, good surface level, it will show the numbers like this. But if your phone is on a plain surface level, then it will show the zeros here. So that's how you can use the built-in surface level in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.